YouTube, welcome back to a new video, and today I am back reacting to more of your renders. Yeah, so if you take a look here, I made an announcement saying reacting to your renders, show me your best work. Creative / funny ones might end up as a thumbnail, so let's go back here. This guy just posted right now. See, I'm really curious and excited as to what I'm going to see here. I hope there's some funny ones here as well. So the first one we see here is from Darth Vader repost. Yes, so this one I think you added way too much smoke, which is kind of, especially on this side, it takes away from a lot of the image because this entire thing is just covered with smoke. So I think you should turn down, as well as adding some color corrections to make the scene look a bit more dramatic. There's just way too much smoke right here. So yeah, let's keep going. Who paid me? Roblox. And we have this one. I like this effect. I think this is super cool right here. This little puddle here in the grass. This is not Roblox, this is Valorant. Okay, so the forest. Let's check this one out. Alright, so personally for this one, I think if you maybe added some lighting here, this could be cool. So basically what I'm saying is the background is extremely detailed and the character is just kind of lost in the background here. So for example, let me just do this and you can see the back, you can see the character is standing out a bit more. And also if you use kind of like a vignette, just darken some of these background areas, I think that would be super cool as well. So right here, just darken these up like so, and I think that makes a big difference. Right here, that, and if you maybe also add some volumetric lighting just coming down right here, that'll also be super cool. So let's just let's try this out. I like this right here. This one kind of sticks out. Let's fix this right here. Okay, if we go overlay, and we could just kind of take this off. So yeah, this is super realistic, and we can maybe also zoom in a bit more and add some additional highlights here. So yeah, this entire piece is super realistic, which is nice, but there's also, you know, minor details that make a huge difference, like this right here. So you see that. Let's go to overlay once more, and that just kind of helps the character stand out a little bit more. We could also go for some color lookups and just kind of experiment with what we have here. So I like this one here. I think this is pretty cool. Let's duplicate that. Let's go soft light. You can see I really like this blue look. We could turn down in some areas, like right here. Maybe also right here a little bit, like so. And let's go 45 for this one. Let's go back to the lookup. This is also really cool, so let me give this a try. There we go. And what else do we have? I think that should be it. Alright, so let's make a group out of all this and create. And now let's head into camera raw filter. And right here, let's see what we can add. We go texture, as you can see, some clarity. I'm gonna adjust the white. It's kind of bright. It's kind of bright here, so I'll turn this down. Shadows, highlights. Alright, so let's go to detail. We could turn this up a little bit and have some sharpening. Is it okay? Alright, there we go. We could turn this down to like 70. And finally, I think I'm just gonna add a bit more vignettes. I apologize if I sound a little bit tired, because I am, but I'm still trying to make this video. There we go, and let's go soft light. And I think we could also add a little blur. 2 seems to work fine. And we're gonna focus on the character right here. It's kind of a little, this section. And this part. And as you can see, let me show you guys the before. This right here is the before, and here is the after. So you can see how small little changes, you know, small details that seem minor, make a huge difference. So, you know, blurring the background, changing the colors a little bit, adding some color correction, some lighting, and focusing on, you know, the character right here to be lit up by the moon. I hope that gave you some insight. Alright, let's keep going. We have One Punch Online. This is a pretty unique one with the filter, the effects over it. This one is definitely cool. I like it. We have an Anime GFX here. The lighting effects could use some work, obviously, but it's a good start right there. Here's a long conversation. Here's a cool icon here. I think you can make the character bigger and move it up. There's an empty space here. Here's a cool one. Here is him sitting on his setup. My first GFX render in 2020 after last shot. You mean 2022, right? This one is cool. Okay, this one. Car here looks amazing. The terrain, the landscape and terrain here is super cool. The only thing I can really say is I would like to see, I'm curious as to how a different sky would look with more clouds. I'm just kind of picturing, I think it will look better with a more cloudy sky, but that could just be me. Berserk should add manual glow like this where it is an effect. The background here could definitely use some work. New commission for an army. The file size is kind of small from the preview, but so once again, like this right here, if you go code lookup, you could find some pretty cool effects like this. Just look at that, a small little change, I think drastically improves. If you ask me, this small little change drastically improves this icon right here, especially this. So as you can see, and then if you want to, you go filter and go for I think a tilt shift should work for this piece. Go like up here and then go for the bottom right here. Kind of blurring your name, but we could erase this. So you see before the color changes and then after, I think this looks a lot more impressive. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I think I'm splitting this into 2 parts, so I'm going to end this video and then start the next one. Possibly both of these videos will be released today, So hope you guys stay tuned. And yeah, with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.